friends, so with today's DIY, I will be taking this popcorn tin can and upcycling it to be used as one of my storage cans in my kitchen. I'm going with the modern farmhouse theme, but not your usual country style, but more on the modern side. I definitely want to go for black and white, so I will be keeping the lid black and painting the rest of the tin can white. Let's see how it looks. Okay friends, so this is what the tin can looks like painted in all white. I definitely had to give it 2 coats only because beforehand the design that it originally had was navy blue and I definitely didn't want that to seep through. So now I'm going to give it a chance to dry. I definitely want to look at it with the lid on. I'm so anxious. I'm going to definitely add some more elements to it, of course, to give it more personality and creativity. And as you can see, this is a plastic container that I'm going to also upcycle along with 2 other bottles that I don't have on the table at the moment. But I'm going to do the same exact thing that I did with the tin can behind it, which is basically paint it all white. The lid too will be black. And with these jars, I'm going to sit them on my countertop and I'm going to use them as canisters for spaghettis, cookies, and etc. We'll see how that looks too. And this is what the tin can and jar looks like painted all white. I definitely needed to come back and give it 2 or 3 coats because the original design on the tin can was seeping through. But now that it's painted to my liking, my next step would be to add some black color onto this lid, add my embellishments just to give it more character, a nice popping personality. As the seasons change, my sense of style in my home changes too. So before I grab my wallet and start setting up a budget, I look around in my home for things I can upcycle and switch out the appearance, such as this floral farmhouse arrangement. I also decided to paint the wood of this knife holder as well, along with this personalized cooking board that was gifted to me. And because it's very special to me, I decided to keep it for decor rather than to use it for its actual purpose. Next up, I'm crafting a wagon planter. These are all of the supplies I will be using. They will also be listed in my description box down below. Step 1, turn the bucket upside down and get a piece of wood or cardboard box, cut it down to actual bottom size, and then paint the bucket a color of your choice. Step 2, take your wheels that can be made out of a napkin holder, or as I did, I used a wooden cutout, which was the shape of a ship's steering wheel. Then you will also need wooden dowels. You will cut those into size, and after combining them, it should look like this. And after all the fun work is complete, here's the finishing touch of everything I crafted.